All right, market just opened. We're kind of bull running. We just tapped into a lower 15-minute. We bull ran last night, I guess, or not last night, a couple hours ago, pre-market. Just waiting to see draws get hit. I think we won some lows. I think we're going to be short, but we shall see. Damn, we're just straight up going for London lows. I didn't have any brekkie. I'm a little late. Got the yogurt. You know me. Holy shit. We're just shitting the bed. I want a retracement and some more shorts, bro. All right, come on. Yo, can I get a bigger pullback so I can get some more shorts? This could be a short here, but I'm just not going to chase this. Yeah, there's no point in me chasing that. Yeah. Swept those loads already. Like, it's unfortunate that I couldn't get a trade here. But it's whatever. Happens, you know? We're selling off into some doom. Maybe we are going to target those 1 hour and 4 hour relative equal lows. Maybe shorts are valid here. Fuck. I'll look for a retracement, but... There's the retracement. Yeah, no, I lied. Definitely not going to be going to relative equal lows. Just kidding. We'll see. We shall see. I like strong retracements like this because then sometimes it dumps after, but also sometimes it just rallies. I don't know. Like, I really don't know sometimes. We're just going to see how price moves. I don't have an entry going really up at all, so that's that. Can't take this long. We're inside of a 30-second, so brutal. Absolutely brutal. I like this 30-second short. I'll take this. See if I can get a retrace. Ooh.
Order filled.
I'll keep this tight.
Order filled.
Banger! Easy as that, bro. Wow. Easy as that. Sold off, had some continuation. I could have held that trade for even longer. Sold off, had some continuation. Knew we weren't going to bull run back up. We have strong relative equal lows being a target. Held for only about 15 points. Boom, boom, bada bing, bada bing. Money grab. Want to get in and out. Could have held to this 30-second fair value gap right here that I just put a line on. But I'm just going to be safe, bro, you know? I'm in and I'm out. I get 15 points and I'm done. Like, yeah, look at that. Perfect. In and out. Didn't target too much. I got the inverse, got the retrace, got the, like, bro. It's easy as that. Like, it's literally easy as that. This is the quickest session I've ever had in my life. I'm already done. I think I'm gonna trade just a couple other accounts. Same accounts as this. Same Apex accounts, but I'm gonna hop on maybe two of them that are like lower in profit than the other ones. So yeah. Okay, I'm on the other accounts now. These were a bit lower in profit, so I'm gonna try to bring these up as well. I'll try to take one more trade. If I lose, though, I'm just gonna hop off. I'll go break even on these. That's fine by me. Another 30-second inverse just gave, but I'm gonna stay out of this. I want to see more direction. I'm not getting a real strong pullback yet. This probably could be TP, but I'm just gonna stay out of this one. Okay, that was a good trade. I just missed out. It's okay. Ooh, we tapped up for 15. That's a really good trade. I want to take this. Oh, the one that I missed earlier was such a good scalp. I should have hopped in that. It's okay. I think I'm going to continue looking for shorts here, though. If we inverse this lower 30, I'll look for a retrace. I wouldn't mind that. I don't want this to inverse yet, though. That's the thing. I want it to hold out. All good. Yeah, I'm still going to look for more shorts here. I'm going to take a retracement entry on this 30-second inverse if it happens. I'm just going to bank on this going for here. We have rejection up top with the 5-minute, even though we already like kind of rejected a lot off of it. I'll still take this. I'm going to go for a deep retrace, though, into this order block, potentially. If we even get the... No, okay. Order block is invalid now because it didn't close below. This is good, though. I like how we're moving back up. We need to find true direction. A long just gave, but I don't love longs here. We're kind of fighting this 5-minute. Let's say if I entered here, if I got an entry there, let's see. Yeah, if I took, okay, I'd be in right here. Stop would be probably below this 30-second. I'd put TP above this swing high. Oh, damn. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe every inverse is giving right now. Wow. Are we going to give? That's going to be funny if we give. Oh. Oh. Nah. I probably would have went break even as well. Yeah, I would have been stopped out there. Damn. Still patiently awaiting. I don't know. I don't like shorting these low fair value gaps, though, because it feels like I'm chasing something. Like, there's been so many times where I've taken a trade, this inverses were at the low of the range, and I just get fucked. And then it pulls back up or retraces whichever other way, and then it delivers to the target. So, I mean, we'll see. I don't know. I'm going to wait for this 15 minute to... it's a long time. Never mind. Oh, I wish I took this short again up here. I just wasn't as like locked in and focused to realize that we tapped into the upper 5. I was kind of focused on switching accounts and stuff, but it's all right. Can't complain. I'm up today, so. Oh, will this 30-second give? Uh, if we get a strong retracement, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm debating right now. I'm debating. I'm really debating here. I'm just going to stay out. If it hits these wicks anyways, I'm out anyways. It's right here. We'll see. Hey, luckily I fucking stayed out, boys. Like, see? I knew it. I knew I'm chasing something, and I can't chase something. We also have some liquidity here. I'll look for a short now. Maybe if we form a short here, I would love that. I will take that short. But I was just chasing, and I knew it. I knew it. I was like, no, let me chill. I'm making the same mistake I've made before so many times. Be safe than sorry, you know? And maybe it does kind of deliver now, but still, like, I'd rather be safe than sorry and avoid a shitty stop out than this, you know? I really want this to form, though. That would be great. We sweep out this kind of LRL. No. My fair value gap. I didn't even think we swept it. Yeah, no, we didn't. Oh, give me a retrace up here, bro, please. You know the best feeling in the world is like when you have a homie that trades too, and y'all like keep each other updated, like live trading sesh. Like he just texted me, he was like, "Yo, bro, saw your W." Like he was like, "Yo, bro," like, or I texted him, I was like, "Yo, bro, I took a W, I'm off already." And then he was like, "No way, was it this inverse? Was it this? Was it that?" Like, which one? I'm like, dude, like ball knowledge, you know? Like you're just like, yeah, this is the homie type shit. You know what I mean? But I don't have a lot of friends that trade, but the ones that do are really good at it, so it's really nice. There she goes. So let's say I took this inverse here and I have my stop like here. It's a big stop, but you know. We're definitely just gonna shit the bed now, not gonna lie. See, that's crazy though how I know like where the rejection points are gonna be basically. Like, bro, had my line right there. You know why? Because that's where wicks are, okay? Price likes to when price hits wicks for some reason, it likes to reject a little. So that's why I always kind of get out at wicks as well. But that's just little ball knowledge for you. You know what I'm saying? Little ball knowledge as a scalper. You know what I'm saying? Bro, because as a scalper, you have to realize we are so quick and so like, bro, I deadass took a W today and it was in the matter of like 30 seconds. Literally, I think it was 30 seconds. Maybe like 40. Like that's it. You know? So you have to know every little thing that will give you rejection and will give you confluence. Not confluence, but anything that will give you more push or more rejection, if you know what I'm saying. And that shit matters on the lower time frames. Because as you can see, even though we're very bearish here, like we're in a bearish trend basically, like we're going down. Even though we're very bearish in a going down trend, look at how many up like if I entered on any of these candles, long or short, I'd probably be stopped out. You know what I'm saying? So you really have to find the candle in which delivery is like really giving. You know what I'm saying? Like if I took that short on this retracement that I was talking about right here, let me show it to you guys. So if I took this short, which I don't like because I'm kind of chasing the end of a trend. And even though we're going bearish, what are we doing? We're very choppy, kind of. So like if I took the short off this inversion right here, right? That I would look for a retracement like I did up here. Okay, like if we close way down here, I caught it up here. You know, or no, we close right here, and then I caught it up here. Perfect delivery. Like I barely went into any drawdown, right? Here though, if I would have took this inverse here, right? Because the candle closed right here. Let me get a little circle for y'all. Candle closed right here, right? That's too low for me. We're too close to my target, right? I would have to enter here, right? So then in my mind, I go for about 15 points, right? 1, 2, 3. 15 points just below where wick is, okay? So my TP would be right about here, okay? And my stop with 1 to 1, I'd be 5, 10, 15. I would have been basically stopped out. Unless I went 20 points, which would have been here, right there. You know what I'm saying? And I have to decide for whether I want to risk negative RR just for 15 points, risk 20 points, which is not terrible for a scalper. Yes, negative RR is known to be fucking terrible. Like, oh, you suck if you have negative RR. No, like the way I trade, negative RR isn't always as terrible. Do I like having a, that I usually like doing 1 to 1, but 20 to 15 is not bad for me. But did I want to risk that? Did I love chasing this? No, so I'm just gonna stay out. You know what I'm saying? Like I could have put my stop at the swing high right here on the 30 second, you know? But you win some, you lose some. You know, I could have taken a W there, but I'm glad I stayed out. This short up here though, after tapping the 5 minute right here, that was really good. I just was being dumb and like wasn't paying attention very well and wasn't very locked in. So that was a great short as well after tapping the upper 5 minute. Yeah, like look, anyone targeting these swing lows right here are just getting cooked. If they're going break even, if they're doing anything like that, they're literally getting cooked. And now we're just chopping. I'm glad I executed early. Usually I don't. Usually I like waiting for the absolute most perfect setup, but I like that setup that I took. It didn't really, I kind of just got, it was like low-key just a retracement in the market, but hey, for me, that's a W. For me, that's a W. All right, I'm probably gonna call it here. It's gonna be a quick post-trade recap. I'm gonna get ready for school. I'm tired. I really don't. Bro, some of y'all are addicted to trading, bro. Wait, let me make sure my, all right. Sorry. I like to check my OBS to make sure my face cam is not blurry. But some of y'all are really addicted to trading and y'all really need to realize, like, dude, you guys should not enjoy this shit. I'm dead ass looking at like candlesticks, bro. Like I'm in the real world and I'm looking at fake candlesticks. Like, bro, I'm gonna go to school, enjoy life, go to the gym today. Like, I don't want to be on the charts for as long as I need to. I'm a one and done type of guy as a scalper, and that's not very common. Most scalpers take tons of trades, and I like my ones and dones. You know what I mean? If I trade decent enough high size to where my one and dones are chill. Like I'm cool with risking this much, just because also the amount of accounts I'm trading around. I'm trading 7 accounts, and that's like a good amount for me. But still, like I'm really just trying to scalp, build up these accounts, have multiple accounts, and that's okay for me. I'm cool with that. I like the way I trade. Usually I'll trade more, but I'm just gonna call it today. Usually I try to go for 2 Ws, especially if I have an early W. If I have a late W, like it's already an hour into the market, I just call it. But usually I would take 2 trades right now, but the way market's looking, yes, it'll probably do something. Like we'll probably have more movement in like 20 minutes, but I got other shit to do, and I'd rather keep my profits than do this shit. So yeah, I'm gonna call for that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Later.